Brake checking is a risky game, and today we're watching drivers who learn that the hard way. Instant karma, close calls, and well-deserved lessons.
Blocking the right lane, so use care going by there. Drive carefully. I'm Sherry Bernardi.
Need to manage a changing workforce? It's time to get to know Express Employment Professionals. Visit expresspros.com to find one of over 830 locations to help support you.
Yes, sir. Can I see your supervisor? Why? You was doing 100 miles an hour when you went past me. I got you on my speedometer. You was doing 100 miles an hour, sir.
All right.
And you didn't have your blue lights on. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay.
If I did that, you'd pull me over and give me a ticket.
Would I?
Yes, sir.
All right. Where are you wearing your seatbelt?
I just took it off because I thought I was going to get out and talk to you.
All right. Well, great. If you have an issue with what I did,
yes, sir. What's your name and badge number, please?
You can see it right there. Call Cross County.
What's your name and badge number, sir? You're supposed to tell your name and badge number to anybody who asks, sir. That's your policy. Okay. 82247. There you go, guys and gals. You see tyranny at its best.
God damn it!
God, we got a road rager. Yeah, that's marked out.
Manual recording will now start.
Hey up, pal. Do you want my phone number?
Se me ha acabado de día, mejor dicho. No puedes conseguir nada, oiga.
Ahora me lo pongo más. Ahorita tengo que tomar.
¿Ves? Pues macro, hermano.
Última pistola. Última pistola está más derecha, está aquí.
Casi, sopro, hermano.
What the fuck? You moron!
Tuesday night, the game tipped off at noon. News Radio 840 WHAS.
Unfucking believable.
Earlier accidents have now been cleared out of the...
dude. Fuck you.
Devices. Yes. A year later, we did ship it, actually right after Satya became CEO. That was one of the first things he did. So ultimately that decision didn't happen that much later than it would have otherwise. And kind of an open question of whether it was a mistake. Like, did Microsoft ever lose $1 for deciding to hold Office for iPad another year? Probably not.
Did you hit my question, man?
I got a gas can. We'll
I do too, mother. Don't worry about it.
My shit. You better pull over.
Oh, what the fuck? Go. Can you at least pull down the parking lot so we can do it?
God damn, dude.
We didn't touch.
You're right, we didn't. Be careful, man. You realize if I hit you, I would have just crushed your entire car, right?
Okay, but that, like, I understand what.
That's the time to think about it. Yeah. I don't think you're going to if you want right now. $12,000. Oh my. I got.
Current loop video is now locked.
Oh!
What? Do not hit me! Do not! What? What? Do not hit me! Do not! Did somebody break the back of your car? Yep. Somebody definitely broke the back of your car. Now I have to go.
Stay in the second lane from the right.
Hey Garmin.
No, okay.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ!
road.
That they had in my story.
You're in the road.
And, you know, especially if we were kind of having trouble.
You're kidding me.
Kind of things you're just like, wow, you guys didn't know.
Especially the case. But look, today was just, you know, it was about the race and the run and overcoming, you know, the challenge that was thrown down by Lilik. And those things like, yeah, the records and those markers, I think, will be things to cherish over time. I can't really get into that, but
idiot.
Certainly, just in terms of the pure performance.
You're a driving instructor. What the hell?
And yeah, incredibly proud of it.
I think we can all hear you grappling with the enormity of this right now. As a parent, also being in the commentary box at the same time, how difficult is it for you to sort of keep a lid on it? Because there must just be so many years of emotion for you that have gone into moments like this.
Yes, although, I mean, Miriam's the coach, she's at the coalface, I'm detached, I'm not at all the...
5 minutes start. Okay. I don't know. I'm probably going to sit in that. Oh!
Off.
What a fuck with... Jesus Christ!
Spectrum, which, you know, obviously is a more expensive solution. We
really?
Some buildings are putting in the wall-mounted chargers. Usually that's a single-phase 7 kilowatt charger that is